This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Brenda Young. Looking for privacy? A house in the country? Can have your chickens and your in-laws. Come see this wonderful rancher with main level laundry, huge garage that includes the Club Cadet Rider, John Deere with plow, weed eater and wheelbarrow. Downstairs there is another completely separate unit with living room, full kitchen and 3 other rooms that can be used as bedrooms. There is also a passive radon mitigation system installed. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Young at 304-263-2121.